Hello, friends. Welcome to another video. Today is Sunday. It's August 29, and we are getting ready for this coming week of trading. Okay, the markets are looking better. Currently, right now, I'm in two trades. I'm an odd NCD and odd CAD, and I'm trying to let those run and see how far they go. Okay. So we had a pretty good week. We had like two or three good trades this week, and let's look at the trades pretty much. Uh, let's see, where are those trades? Uh, well, so far last week we had two. I'm counting this one because I'm holding this two from last week, but we had the USD trade and NCHF trade. So we are still in those trades right now, and I'm gonna be pretty much researching. Like I tell you guys before, last in the week, I'm not doing 30-minute strategy because of shift. That I had my job. I cannot. Well, I wake up very early, but I had to start driving early. And also for new um, traders, just sign out into the program or into this channel. I showed this is my account right here. This is my small account. And this is where I show you guys my trades pretty much of the week. I have another account where I take exactly the same trades, but bigger lots, obviously. I'm not a full-time trader. Still have my job. I'm a welder instructor in California. But I've been doing trading for at least 10 years now. I'm using Simplicity and two easy indicators, mostly just for entries and timing. But my main analysis is done on TradingView. And, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm looking pretty much this week. So I'll change to TradingView real quick. This is the daily chart right here. Excuse me, this is weekly. And we are exactly at this point right now. I use the 20 and the 50 EMAs. And these are key levels. The reason I took that buy trade last week was because we were at this point. Let me go to the daily, and we are here. So what I'm going to wait this week is to see how the price reacts to the 50 around this level over here. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have a some sort of correction in the smaller time frames. If I go to the 1 hour, I can see that it's very it's overbought. Okay, but if the market keeps reacting higher, I'll probably take a continuation trade at that point. Okay, this is where I go for simplicity in the 1 hour to see where we at. Simplicity USD in the 1 hour. You can see we still have a movement up. This is the 4 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour. So what I'm gonna wait for timing, I'm gonna wait for simplicity. I wouldn't take a down trade here. I'll probably wait for the hour simplicity going up. Okay. Now, if there is a trend change, I will definitely follow the market because we gotta follow where the markets are going. Because I really think that the market's still gonna go one more low. on the Euro USD from this point, but it just can take off from there. It can go higher and higher. We'll see, but we're gonna follow the markets. On the odd USD, let me show you what we got here in the in trading view. Okay, these are my key levels. That one right there, this one, and this one. And right now the market broke that, and now it's going to retest it. And I'm thinking this could be a good opportunity of a trade because it's gonna be in that key level. Plus, it's touching the 20 and the 50 at the same zone. So, what we can, this is the daily, okay? So, if I go to the 4 hour, that's why I put this trend line right here because I'm waiting for this to break down. So, let's go to Simplicity, odd USD, okay? So, I am gonna wait for a triple arrow coming down on this one. But if you notice, I'm taking my decisions for simplicity based on the analysis and trading view on a bigger time analysis on key levels. Okay, so I'm going to wait for triple arrows during the week, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll see, on the odd USD. And let me show you a couple more if you guys want to. Right now, USD JPY, it's very sideways, so I'm not putting too much attention. You can see the EMAs. They're just going horizontals right now. We're looking for moves like this, moves like that, where we can enter the trades. NCD USD. Let me look at the daily so you can see the big picture. And it's definitely daily in the downtrend. And I am waiting for for NCD USD to hit this trend line right there. It's already at the 50. I'm not sure if it's going to get all the way to a trend line. Then I can go here to Simplicity in the 4 hour, NCD USD. Okay, this is a 1 hour, even the 4 hour, but even in the 1 hour, I'm going to wait again for triple arrows. Okay, why is that? Because I want to go with this trend, with the daily trend. Most of the price is below the 50 and the 20, and I'd rather go with the trend than against the trend. And if it gets to this levels right here during the week, a little bit higher, even better, because our stop loss is going to be above this Q level. But we're going to see, we're going to look at the markets again and see how they're reacting. Let me look at the RSI in the 4 hour. It looks kind of oversold, and it's definitely oversold in the 1 hour. Okay, so that'll be a good possible trade also. So I give you guys the Euro USD, odd USD, NCD, GP USD. Let me look at key levels, see if I have a mark in this one. I have my key levels there. Okay, there you have it. Um, these are nice key levels, but the price is right in the middle right now. I can put smaller zones right here in this area. As the market gets to that, it can have a reaction also. But if I look at the market right now, overall in the macro, I know it's an uptrend, but in the smaller term time frames, I have a downtrend, and then we have this move though, that broke the previous high, so that is giving us clue that this can, just go higher. If you already went higher here, maybe this can go higher there to make like some kind of a 1, 2, 3 move to the high. But we're gonna check because the market has already reacted to this zone right there. Smaller zones right there. It's making like some sort of a W. And the 1 hour, if we follow the trend in the 1 hour, yes, we have an higher high, and then a correction, higher high, correction, and this high, it's already broken also. It did a higher high there. If we look left, where do we have to go? Where we can go all the way up here, right? There's another smaller zone. So I'm gonna mark it with this blue boxes, okay, as a short time trade right there. So let me go to simplicity at this point, and that will be GPUSD to see what simplicity is telling us. GPUSD, where is that? Right there. And effectively, simplicity is telling us in the 1 hour we are going up, and the 4 hour simplicity is telling us that that is just a correction before going down on this. Okay, so definitely this is a more risky trade because we're going against a 4 hour, obviously. The daily is going in a downtrend, and that's the most powerful one right there. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend buying this because what we just saw, it's better to wait for that 1 hour to go as high as it's gonna go, um, and then wait for triple arrows to come down also, okay? Because we don't want to go against the 4 hour and against the daily, which is more important. So let's wait for this correction in the 4 hour, or in this case, yeah, the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour correction, and it could go anywhere to this area, and then we're gonna drop down to the 1 hour here, and which is gonna be the same area, this area over here. Anywhere here, it could go a little bit higher, even it can go almost all the way, and then drop down. That's the better trade. Well, okay, friends, I just want to give you guys some trade alerts for this week with simplicity and too easy. Um, I have forgot to put in the last two videos the link if you'd like to purchase simplicity. Under my link, please let me know. That way I can help you. I'll put more attention to you because you buy under my link, and that we get a small commission every time you guys buy a simplicity or not too easy indicator right there. So you've been thinking about it. It's a real good indicator, but the best indicator is yourself. Okay, invest in yourself. That is the best way to go. Um, and please hit that like notification. That helps the it helps the channel to grow the channel, and that's what I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Not sure if I'm gonna make it, but I'm just trying. Um, that way I can do live tradings, I can send alerts and stuff like that, and I can do sometimes live analysis. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please don't give up on your trading. Just study harder, discipline yourself. That's the most important. Never, never invest more than 1 to 2% of your whole account in one trade. That is not the right way to do it. If you invest more than that, the market is going to eat your account. Do it 2%, 1%, and that way you can give yourself enough room, to improve, to make mistakes, not to lose your account. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you guys soon, Wednesday or Thursday, to analyze the trades that we checked today. God bless you all, and God bless America.